Hi, today we're going to take a look at multiplying radicals that have indexes other than 2. First one over here, we have a fourth root of 27 times a fourth root of 3. When your radicals have similar index, when they're the same number, all you have to do is multiply your two inside numbers. So 27 times 3 is going to end up giving us 81. We need to make sure that we put that index of 4 inside that little v out in front. Now, what that 4 tells us is what number times itself, times itself, times itself gives us 81. So what repeats itself 4 times? In this case, well, we could check them out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 2 is 8. 8 and 2 is 16. That's not going to help. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 and 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 27. 27 and 3 81, bingo. What number got repeated 3 times to give us 81? 3. Okay, sometimes it's not always that easy. Moving on, we have index 3, index 3. They're both the same. Great, let's multiply those numbers on the inside together. So we leave that index of 3 inside 2 and 20, give us 40. Now we have to see if we can simplify this. Well, let's create a list like we did over there, where we can say 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 8, 3, 3, 3 gives us 27, 4, 4, 4 gives us 64, and I don't need to go any further because this number is already way bigger than that. There's no way I'm going to get that. So my question now is, are there two numbers I can multiply together to get 40? One of them, hopefully, being one of these numbers here. And there is. I could say 8 times 5. So 8 and 5 is the same as 40. Cool. I can also rewrite this another way and say the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 5. Each time putting that little 3 in the little v. It's not in front. It's not real big. It's supposed to be in that little v. That little 3 tells us what gets multiplied 3 times to give us 8. 2 is repeated. So that's just a 2 there. This is the same as that. We don't have anything to give us this 5, so we just leave it. Third root of 5. What about when we have numbers on the outside and inside? As long as our index 4 and 4 are the same, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put my outside numbers together. So 3 and negative 2 gives us negative 6. My inside numbers, 5 times 7 is 35. Now, I want to find a number multiplied by itself 4 times to give us 35. Well, we already have a list over here. 16, 81, it can't be 81. That's too big. And 16 doesn't go into this evenly. So this is actually in simplified form. We don't need to go any further. As long as we did outsides together, insides together, we're great. We may have to take it one more step, but that's not always the case. And that is multiplying radicals with an index not 2.